Okay, number 7, you're asked to find the zeros of this function, right?
Mm-hmm.
How do you find the zeros? Y equals 0 if and only if x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. That's negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared minus 4 times 22, all divided by 2 times 4, which is negative 8 plus or minus the square root of, that's 16, and 16 times 22 is 352. Subtract that from 64 and you get negative 288, I think. If that's wrong, fix it, but it's certainly going to be negative, right? That's negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 288 times the square root of negative 1 over 8. What's the square root of negative 1? I. Now 288 is divisible by 4, and you divide that by 4 and you get 72, which is also divisible by 4, you get 18. So, if I've done this right, this is divisible by 48. No, wait a minute. 18, 2, no, 32. Got my numbers backwards. Factored it right and then screwed up. But 32 and 9 here. That's not 32. 16 times 4. I mean, it is 32 times 9.
32 times 9 is 288.
Let me get all the numbers right. I mean, this reduces all the way down.
But it's really weird. It kind of pushes the schedule.
16 times 9 is 144. Yeah, no, I could have seen that. Okay? Factors down. Okay. You don't need to know the details of the confusion I just went through. But okay, so that's 12 times the square root of 2 times I, right? Okay, the main thing I just want to illustrate here is you get a complex number, right?
Yes.
And we've already seen that. Nothing I'm doing here is anything that we haven't already done. I'm reminding you that you might need to review.